Today, in this factory tour, we will explore the step-by-step manufacturing process. Let's take a closer look. First, steel wire coil is unrolled and fed into weaving machines. Next, the machines interlock the individual wires in a zigzag pattern to form the mesh shape. Here, the wire passes through liquid chemicals during the twisting. Then, the top and bottom edges of the woven wire are bent over to create a smooth edge. After weaving the chain link, the wire is rolled onto large spools for storage. Next, the woven mesh is separated according to the desired dimensions. Now, the roll is strapped manually and is dispatched. Like chain links, the separate wires are fed into the machine to form barbed wire. Next, the machine takes two wires and twists them together to form a barbed cable. Then, the automated machines wrap the barbed cable into a coil form. Finally, the coiled barbed wire is packaged and stored for shipment.